Hi, everybody. Recipe. Classic Olivier salad. Olivier salad originates from the distant 1860. At that time, the manager of the Hermitage restaurant in Moscow was a Frenchman, Lucien Olivier. He owns the laurels of creating this legendary salad. This salad became widespread during the Soviet era and during the Perestroika period. There are many modifications of this salad, but the classic recipe is the perfect taste. So, let's get started. Ingredients: potatoes 400 g, carrots 150 g, chicken eggs 6 pcs, pickled cucumbers 300 g, boiled sausage, doctors 300 g, mayonnaise 300 milliliters, canned green peas 1 jar 200 g, onion 1 piece 50 g, salt optional to taste, ground pepper optional to taste. Step 1: wash potatoes, carrots and eggs. Cook everything until ready. It is advisable to use potatoes that are not young, so that they do not crumble after cooking. As soon as everything is cooked, we put it to cool. Step 2: while the vegetables and eggs are cooking, cut the pickles and sausage into cubes. We put everything in one container, cup, bowl, saucepan. Step 3: peel the cooled vegetables and eggs. Cut everything into cubes and put it in a container with already sliced cucumbers and sausage. Step 4: open a jar of peas. Drain the liquid from the jar. Pour the peas into our salad. Step 5: peel the onion. Chop the onion very finely. It is convenient to chop onions with a knife on a chopping board. Pour the chopped onion into our salad. Step 6: mix our salad. Add mayonnaise to the salad and mix again. We try and add salt and pepper to taste if necessary. Our salad is ready. Usually, the salad needs to stand in the refrigerator for a while, since it is a cold snack. We serve it to the table and enjoy the taste. Olivier is prepared so simply and quickly, about 30 to 40 minutes, taking into account cooking and cooling.